Hi guys, welcome to 2020 and the first video of the year. My name's Tony, also known as the Card Geek on social media and founder of the World Divination Association. Over the Christmas holidays, I was lucky enough to meet Carrie as she was traveling through Europe. And on the same day, my version of the Relative Tarot arrived. Now, the Relative Tarot is a deck that Carrie first brought out in 2015. And it has now a whole new lease of life. It is not only a tarot deck, we are looking at a spirit oracle deck. On top, we are also looking at a reading cloth, and today I am going to open this beautiful package and I am going to share the contents with you. So let's get opening the box. Are you ready? And inside the box, we already see the lovely carrieparis.com here at the top. The message in the lid says, "Walking, I am listening to a deeper way. Suddenly, all my ancestors are around me. Be still," they say. "Watch and listen. You are the result of the love of thousands." Linda Hogan. Isn't that beautiful? And we see the reading cloth already, and we know that Carrie makes amazing reading cloths. So if we open up our reading cloth, we have a beautiful cloth ready for all our lovely ancestral readings. When I met Carrie at Reader's Studio a couple of years ago, she firstly asked me what my birth card was. It was probably one of the first questions she asked while we were sat listening to one of the workshops. And the Relative Tarot has been brought out by Carrie with a focus on the birth cards and the annual card. It comes with an instructional booklet for the diligent diviner, and we have the lovely Tina Hart on there. Tina has a unique writing style that absolutely draws you in, so this is one book that I will absolutely be reading, and it's a 50-page booklet. The writing's quite small, so there's more information on there than the usual booklet. And inside, you see, we have two sides to a deck. Let's have a look. Can you see the edging, the brown edging? I'll run through the cards in a moment. The cardstock is firm. The box itself is a snug fit, which is nice. I'll leave them out so I can grab them easily. So as I say, there is an emphasis on the birth cards and the annual card, and the instructional manual will then explain that further. Let's go into a run through of the cards. If you do not know what your birth card is, Carrie is also setting up a website, mybirthcards.com, where you can check out what your birth card is, and in future it will tell you more about it too. So there's a total of 26 major arcana cards. Obviously that's 4 more than the usual 22. And each of the major arcana cards includes the corresponding birth card numbers. Again, if you don't know yours, go to mybirthcards.com. There are a couple of cards that you can choose from. We have Strength with a couple of options, and there's the Lover's card, which has 3 options. It has a vintage feel to the deck, and you can understand why Carrie speaks of ancestral roots and ancestral readings. the Sun, there's our lovely Fool. And then we move on to the Minor Arcana. What I particularly like about this deck is that it does embody the elements of each card. The colors that Carrie has used embodies the elements too. So we have the Pentacles, and they are then paired up. We have our Swords here, our Intellect suit. But if you are a Rider-Waite-Smith reader, you will identify with this imagery immediately. There's no doubt as to which card is which. There's no struggling to understand which card is which we have in some decks when it's not clear on the first viewing. When we go into the Wands and into our Cups, and you can immediately identify with these cards. The Relatives Tarot's birth cards serve as springboards for understanding our soul's mission. The annual cards offer an annual theme for aligning with our goals, and the Court cards put us in touch with our ancestral imprint and guide us to our royal resources. Then the card at the back of my tarot is Wish. We then have our extra spirit cards: Addiction, Ancestry, Artistry, Balancing Act. Yes, we know about that. Blessing, Bohemian, Bond, Brazenness, Camouflage, Chance, Chivalry, Civil Servant, Comedy, Tragedy. It has a bit of a gypsy feel to it, a gypsy card deck feel to it. Communication, competition, conflict, all the things we have in life. Conscientiousness, coward, defense, delusion, dictatorship, discontent, drama. There really is everything in here. Elegance, on entertainment, exploration, forget-me-not, frame of reference, like it, guardian, harvest, heeding, hearth and home, horse's ass, that's the best. Horse's ass. Hospitality, humor, imitation, inheritance, innocence, intuition, invitation, kindred, labor, leisure, loyalty. Look at the dog there, it's beautiful. Martyrdom, mischief. I'm sure we've all had these at some stage in our lives. Newlyweds, non-compromise, optimism, opportunity. I love the wings. Oracle, very nice. Organ grinder, brilliant. Panache. Oh, there's some great words in here. Partnership, pillar, popularity, radiance, reflection. You can see Carrie's really gone through the areas in life that we need advice on. Regimen, religion, rescue, rite of passage, ritual, seance, nice, servitude, siblings, silver spoon, snake charmer, I like that, solidarity, sorceress, spirit, stature, he's a gentleman, theatrics, My kids know all about that. Thin ice, very good. Let's get the last ones here. Tribe, like it. Vanity, vigor, visionary, and wise guy. So let's have a shuffle. It's very rare straight out of the box that you can get such a good shuffle going. You usually have cards that are stuck together in some way. I'll let you have a listen at that. So as a recap, you get a tarot deck, fully functioning tarot deck with options therein. You get Spirit Card Oracle, which can be merged within the tarot deck or used as a standalone. You get a beautiful reading cloth. You get a book on how to read these cards, and you really get a little piece of your ancestry therein and a better knowledge and working of you and your querents by using the birth card and year card in depth with this tarot deck. I think she's come up with a gem. Let me know in the comments whether you have ordered this, what you think of the relative tarot, and I'll see you on the next one.